Yo, rude boy, what you do? What on? Wagwan, everybody. This is your boy I Jamaica, and today we're going to get into some patois lessons. So, do you want to learn some patois? Some Jamaican talking? Come in, we are going to do it right after these messages, all right? Stay tuned.
Are you a recording artist? Have you been spending thousands of dollars in the studio to record, mix, and master? Then spending thousands more to get the cleanest quality music videos, but you're just not getting the attention that you deserve. Neither are you getting any calls from promoters for performances. Well, the reason is pretty simple. It's because nobody knows who you are. As an entertainer, publicity is your best friend. Here at Her Pocket Productions, we have heard your cries for media attention. So we have went ahead and partnered with two of the best publicists in the business, both locally and internationally. So in addition to your outstanding 4K quality music videos, Her Pocket Productions is now offering you the publicity that you need to propel your career to the next level. So do you want to be in news articles, radio interviews, radio airplays, TV interviews, performance bookings? WhatsApp or call Her Pocket Productions now at 876-342-5421 to get your quote. Her Pocket Productions, pocketing moments, crafting timelessness.
AI technology is a fast-rising phenomenon in the music industry and is a very recognized marketing tool to promote your music. From songs to music videos, AI technology is making its way in the entertainment spectrum at a speedy rate. So do you want to be a part of this phenomenal and promote your music with videos like the one on the screen? Then call or WhatsApp us at 876-342-5421. Herb Pocket Productions, pocketing moments, crafting timelessness.
Yeah, man, bless the love, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is I Jamaica once more. Today we're going to get into some basic patois lessons, all right? So we're going to use some words, and then we're going to get into some sentences. We're going to mix them up, words and sentences. I'm going to tell you the words, the meaning of the words, and then I'm going to use them in sentences for you so that you can know how to use the words, all right? So let's get into it. So, of course, I know the first word on the list is wagwan. And you know the meaning for that is what's up. So how would you use that in a sentence? Yo, wagwan. Yo, wagwan. So wagwan mean what's up. So it's a greeting, a way how you would greet somebody. Wagwan. Moving on. For number 2, we have pitney. Pitney, and that means a child. All right, so use it in a sentence. You would say, "But tell the pitney them not to go down there." Or, "Where the pitney them there?" All right. Number 3, we have deso or de. Whichever one of these mean there. Using them in a sentence would be something like this. Over there, so you're there? Or, are you there down there? So that's how you use it in a sentence. So this one is like a sentence. This one is me a come. It means I am coming. So when somebody call you, "Hey, I Jamaica, me a come." Yes. All right. Moving on. In Jamaica, mama means mother and papa means father. So you'd ask somebody, "Are your mama that?" Or "Are your papa that?" Mean is that your mother or is that your father? All right. So mama means mother, papa means father. Moving on. So a lot of people may know that gal means girl in Jamaica. So someone would ask you, "Yo, are you a gal that?" Or "How much gal pitney you get?" Moving on. Boy means boy. You understand? So you'd ask somebody, "Hey boy, how you do?" Or, "Yo, rude boy, what you do? What go on?" So next we have yaso or ya, which means here. Using them in a sentence would sound something like this. Over yaso you there? Or, what you do ya? Yeah. In patois we don't say no, we say no sir. No sir means no. So somebody asks you, "Is that yours?" "No sir." "Are you going to the party tomorrow?" "No sir." "Are you a girl that?" "No sir." But you chang though. In Jamaica we don't say water or water, we say water. Water means water in Jamaica. Using it in a sentence, it would sound like this. "God Almighty, I want some water for drink, man. Thirst a kill me." Or, "I buy a bottle of water for me. My hot Bridget, buy a bottle of water for me." In patois, we say me instead of my. A fi me that, or me a come up later, or me a come check you later. So me means my in patois. Moving on. In Jamaica, we don't say homosexual or gay in patois. We say batty boy. A batty boy. Watch him. A batty boy, no? Batty man. Yes. So batty man or batty boy means homosexual in Jamaica. Moving on. So you hear the term batty boy or batty man, and you're wondering, wait, what? So what does batty mean? Remember, I already told you that boy means boy. Batty means your bottom. So when you say a man is a batty man, it means that he's a man who is fascinated with other man's bottom. Moving on. So in Jamaica, we don't say you. You. We say yo. Yo means you in Jamaica. And you put that there, so? And you fi go on down there, you know. Yo. Are you the term Mr. Keisha bird? So that's how we say you in Jamaica. In Jamaica, we say eat when we want to go the English route. But when we're talking to our fellow country compatriots, we say nyam. Nyam means eat in Jamaica. But I nyam some other food right now. Yo, you know, a long man nyam some ackee and saltfish. Yo, I'm not like, you know. I nyam some roast breadfruit right now, you know. So in Jamaica, nyam means eat. Moving on, I hope you're learning. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so other people can learn as well. Moving on. So you may know it as underwear. In Jamaica, the patois word is jazz. And it's used in a sentence like this. Yo, Shana, we're not jazz, you know? Yeah. Moving on. In Jamaica, instead of saying dirty, oh, it's so dirty, we say, it's dirty, man. Dirty means dirty in Jamaica. So you use it in a sentence like this. Hey, dirty boy. Yo, your shirt dirty, man. Yeah. Moving on. In Jamaica, we say that instead of that. So we say it like this. Are you own that? Yo, I feel that. Yeah. Moving on. The patois word for cloth is cloth. We say cloth instead of cloth or cloth. Yo, give me a piece of cloth to clean off them shoes, you know. Yo, I go buy a piece of cloth to make one shirt, you know. So that's how you would use cloth in a sentence, all right? Moving on, I hope you're learning. So what I'm doing now, a lot of you may say that I'm sitting down. But in Jamaica, we don't say sit down. In patois, we say sit down. Sit down means sit or sit down in Jamaica. All right? So sit down. You would use it in a sentence like this. Yo, sit down over there so I so come talk to you. Yo, you can't sit down there, you know. That's so dirty. Yeah, man. So we have sit down, and now to say stand up in patois, you say tan up. So you take off the S and the, so you take off the S and the D and you say tan. Tan up. Tan up means stand up in patois. So it would be used in a sentence like this. Yo, stand up over there, so. Yo, stand up, let me see what I go on, so. Yo, you can't stand up over there, so, you know, brother. So that's how you would use it in a sentence, all right? Moving on. In patois, we don't say bottle. Oh, can I have a bottle of Heineken, please? We say buckle. And we use it in a sentence like this. Yo, give me one buckle of Heineken, the bartender. Yo, catch shape like a Coca-Cola buckle. Jano Star. Yeah, so that's how we say buckle. In Jamaica, it means bottle. All right? Moving on. All right, so this is the one that most people know, and I'm sure most of you expected it to be further up on the list, but we save it. And that is simply, yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I want to explain this thoroughly to everybody who have heard it before. The literal translation for yeah, man means yes, man. Yeah meaning yes, and M-O-N, man meaning man. So literally the translation is, yeah, man, but it is also a response. So if somebody asks you something, you're going to the party tonight? Yeah, man. Yo, you got the car from? Yeah, man. Yo, beg your $5 now? Yeah, man. Yo, you good? Yeah, man. So it's a response. You understand? So that's just one of the things we use to respond, but it also can mean, I will. Yeah, man, big up yourself, what you mean? You understand? So it's also a greeting in a sense, but the literal translation means yes, man. That's the literal translation. All right? Yeah, man. Moving on. Picture in Jamaica means picture. You can take a picture for me, please? This is another one that a lot of people know, and it's cocky. Cocky or hood or body means penis in Jamaica. It's the male genitalia. You understand? I will not be using that one in a sentence. Alright? Moving on. So, we all know what the male genitalia is. A lot of people do know what the female genitalia is also, which is pum pum or punani. That means vagina in Patois. Alright? So, pum pum or punani. I can use this in a sentence. Love punani bad, love punani bad, love punani bad. And I say, me love punani bad. I say, punani makes me happy. So, yeah, that's how you use punani in a sentence. Moving on. Can you give me your number, please? No. Give me, we don't say that in Patois. We say, gimme. You can give me a number, please? Gimme means give me in Patois. Alright? Yo, give me a piece of Ebola no. Or, yo, give me a piece of cane no. So gimme means give me in Patois. Alright? Moving on. So, this one is more like a sentence in a sense, but it's me no know. Me no know means I don't know in Patois. So if you're using it in a sentence, it would be like, yo, me no know how much people up there, you know. You know, so me no know though. So that's how you would use them in sentences, alright? Me no know means I don't know. Moving on, coming to the end. The other one is, what you say? It means, what did you say in English? What you say a while ago? Wait, what you say? What you say just now? Yeah. It literally means, what did you say? Alright? So, what you say means, what did you say in Patois? Moving on. Final one. So, for the final one, we have, me can't bother. That means, I can't bother. Using it in a sentence would sound something like this. Yo, me can't bother with him, you know. Me can't bother for every minute me have to change, you know. Me can't bother. Me just can't bother. Me can't bother, yeah, man. Sure. So, that means, I can't bother. Alright? Alright, so those were some basic Jamaican words. I hope you learned something today, and definitely I can do a part 2, 3, 4, 5. Depends on the feedback and the request that I get from you guys. Please do remember to like, subscribe, share the video so other people can learn a little bit of Patois as well. Don't keep the knowledge for yourself. Come on, don't do that now. Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. And this is Ijamaki, your host. Please contact Her Pocket Productions if you need any video shoot. If you're traveling to Jamaica, you need a video to be shot. Reggae video or whatever it is, just link up Ijamaki, Her Pocket Productions, and I will get that done for you at a very affordable price. Yeah, I understand. So just link up, man. 876-342-5421. Alright? Bless up yourself, and I will see you in the next episode. One love every time. Wagwan! Yeah, man. Bless.
Oh, baby, my sweet lady, you're such a beautiful child. So easy to love it. Girl, you are a blessing, and I love to feel your energy. It's possessive, and your body really speaks to me like a message. Speak to me, girl. I wanna know what you're feeling. Speak to me now, baby. Free speech, people talk. Sin, do it through the force of the Most High nature. Elisa said that. Her pocket, you don't know, is like a rocket.